Guys, look, this is how soft it is. Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, we got some pork butt that was in the freezer. So I said, you know what, let me get this out of there and cook this sucker up. So we're gonna make tacos, right? We're gonna make tacos out of this. And I'm just gonna kind of throw some things together, like between 3 or 4 recipes. All right, so guys, we got some diced chilies, right? I got some oregano, right? This is like a Mexican oregano, right? We got some tomatoes, onion. We got this ham bouillon, right? We got some roasted salsa verde, right? So I guess kind of a salsa verde, salt, pepper. And then we're gonna season it up with this a garlic pepper, right? And we're gonna throw this on the grill. So guys, I'm gonna get this all set up and we're gonna go outside to the grill, and don't pay attention to that brisket out there either. All right guys, we washed our meat off. Now we're just gonna dry them up real quick. All right, let's just hit this with some salt, guys. And just kind of flip them over. I'm gonna go in with some mustard, just a little bit, not too much. Acts kind of as a binder. That's a mix. Then we're gonna go with a spicy garlic pepper. Kind of get in here and flip them over a little. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right, we're gonna give this a nice mix. Guys, this is extremely cold, so I'm gonna let this just come down a little bit in temperature. And I'm gonna let this sit out for probably like 30 minutes or so, and then I'll bring you guys back. We'll go out to the grill. All right, guys, so it's been about a half hour or so. And I forgot to put the bouillon on there. I'm gonna do that now. Alright guys, so what I decided to do is take this and put it on a rack, right? Just so we can handle it a little bit easier. Let's get this on the grill. I don't want to leave this open too long. I'm just gonna sit this right here. Pay no attention to that brisket right there. But that's another cook for another time. And guys, this is what we're doing today. So I'm gonna close this down. And we're gonna let this smoke for at least, let's say, an hour and a half, probably 2 hours. But yeah, we'll be right back. All right guys, it's been about 2 hours now, and this is what our pork is looking like. Looks like it's got a lot of decent smoke. Let's look on the bottom side. Okay, no problem. Let's go ahead and get these into a pan, okay? All right guys, let's take a quick look at our meat here. Not bad, right? Not looking bad at all. So let me get you guys set up on the other side of the grill. All right guys, so now at this point it's going to be pretty much dump and go, right? We're going to go in with some onions, garlic. Gonna dump some of these diced green chilies in here. Some of these fire roasted tomatoes. I'm only gonna use about half the can. That feels about right. Some oregano. And then guys, as our braising liquid, we're gonna use some of this here. Some chili verde. All right, so we're gonna give this a nice mix. You know, I think I'm gonna use the rest of that, rest of this. Oh, almost. All right, we're gonna use the rest of these tomatoes because we want that juice. All right, guys, we're gonna take this in the house and put it in the oven at 325 just to braise this off, and then we have tacos. All right, guys, so let's see what we're at. Let's see where we're at. Smells good. Let's see if it's shreddable. Yeah, guys, it's shreddable. Very shreddable. See if I can show you. See how that's just falling apart? And guys, this is when we're going to make tacos out of. And I'm going to bring you guys back when we actually eat this, probably later in the week. Probably have this Monday for dinner. Let me give you guys a close-up. This is what we look like, guys. And let me see if this will happen if I do it. Find a bigger piece. Come on. Yeah, here we go. Guys, look. This is how soft it is. Okay? So, we're gonna put this up, and I'll bring you guys back when we're ready to eat. All right, guys, today is Monday. We're gonna eat our tacos, right? So let's just take a look. I heated it up in this pot here, right? And guys, this is what we look like. Get a little more light on the situation here. Guys, it's smelling pretty good in here. And guys, this wants to just fall apart on us, right? Look at that. Just wants to come right apart. Look at that. I'm gonna put some of this in my own little special bowl. You know, that's how I'm gonna serve it up, and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys, so let's dig in. We got our flour tortilla, right? Now, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shred some, and I'm gonna leave some whole, right? Let's just shred this up. Look how easy this is, guys. This is gonna be good. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of the shredded one. And this way everybody can have it the way they want. I put it in this ramekin, right? And everybody can just have it the way they want. So I'm gonna have some that is a little shredded. Some that are whole, right? Let's get some more shredded. Some shredded pieces here. Might as well grab some of that onion, right? Hey guys, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna make it really simple. And I'm just going in with some onions, right? I'm just going in with some onions. You know what? Let's give this a taste. See what it tastes like, guys. This is what we got. Look at this. Guys, this is good. This is really good. You know what it needs? A little sour cream. So it's a little spicy. Let's cool it down with some of this sour cream here. Guys, this is all over the place. Here we go. Guys, this is easy. We put it out on the pellet grill, right? We smoked it, then we braised it. This is my taco. This is the way I make it. And this is the way I came up with making it. Guys, like, subscribe. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.
You can't hide.